The winner of the $10,000 Impact Program graduation prize is...
It's still kind of surreal a little bit, just knowing, where I was last week. I guess it's true, not to seem cliche, but when everyone says trust the process, because my advisors kept telling me, you'll be fine, tell your story. Just tell your story. And before I went up there, I was a nervous wreck. Like, I felt anxiety, I felt like my heart was beating fast. I took a drink of water, I went up there, and I began to talk. And the nervousness went away. I was super worried about forgetting key points, which I still forgot a couple, but I don't think anybody knows that. But again, trust the process, listen to your advisors. Like, these people really know what they're doing. Honestly, if I had not won $10,000, I would still be ecstatic about the experience. It was an invaluable opportunity. It afforded me a chance to step outside of my business and look at the business and come up with a strategic plan to scale. And that's something that I hadn't done, and not that I had set goals, but I just hadn't had the time to sit down and actually look at the practices that I had, the things that I've been doing. So I'm truly excited about the program. I'm excited about the future. I'm going to continue to be around and utilize the development resources that they have here at JumpStart. So again, I just want to thank JumpStart, all of the advisors here, Lauren, Amon, everyone has been amazing. And they told us that, we all become family, and I really feel like I have this extended small business